In this video, we're going to show you some essential reasons why you might want to swap this and even this for this. We'll follow up by showing you how to practically use this information by walking you through how to make a quick and simple breakfast that you can customize and make the night before. We're starting now.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man? He lives on Drury Lane.
I'm Marianne, and the Healthy Exchange is all about helping you make simple substitutions to your diet that are not complicated, rigid, or expensive. Simple changes can be the beginning of a great habit that help you work toward your health goals. Comment below on what you currently eat for breakfast. And while you're at it, compare what you eat with what we're about to share with you. Although breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, that definitely depends on what you're currently eating for your morning meal. Why is breakfast the most important meal of the day? A healthy breakfast should include a variety of nutrient-dense foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fat to start your day off right. A second point to consider is that a study found that breakfast primes your metabolism to maintain healthy blood sugars after subsequent meals. So those breakfast cereals and those muffins, they tend to be high in refined grains and high in sugar. So ideally, we want to choose items that are low in sugar and high in whole grains. Again, remember what I said earlier, a breakfast that's ideal should include protein, good fat, and fiber. Fiber helps keep you satisfied, it helps keep your blood sugar in check, it can even help you lose weight. Protein is your building block, it helps give you energy, it builds your muscles. And then good fat, well, of course, that helps your brain and helps you think. So all those things you want to consider when you're choosing your breakfast items. So to help you make this nutritious upgrade to your morning meal, Amy's going to show you how to make this great grab-and-go breakfast. But before she does, remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this.
Thanks, Marianne. That is right. We can take breakfast to a whole new level by making some healthy exchanges, and it also can be really quick and easy. So today I'm going to share with you my layered breakfast bowl, and a lot of times I just eat that at home because I like that alternative to the smoothies. It gives me that kind of that filled up feeling, but it's crunchy and it's satisfying and it's full of good nutrition. But it's also something you can make really quick and easy. You can put a couple things together the night before, and then you could be out the door in just a few minutes. So the hardest part is just actually having all the ingredients on hand. But once you do, you can make this really healthy breakfast. So what I do is I start with my base, which is kefir. I like using kefir. I choose a whole milk, grass-fed, unsweetened kefir, low in any added sugars, of course, and then the grass-fed is going to have a lot healthier fats for you. It's less inflammatory, but it has all that good probiotic in it and good protein. So that's how I start my base. But of course, you can make this dairy-free. I'm actually going to make this in my coffee cup. I don't have a jar, kind of really convenient to take along, but this coffee cup I love, this stainless steel coffee cup I take everywhere. So I'm using that for my breakfast bowl today. So anyway, start with my kefir, but you can make this dairy-free. You can use an almond milk yogurt, a coconut milk yogurt, anything like that. If you want to do dairy-free, that's no problem. So anyway, so we have our base ready, and I'm just going to probably pop the lid on that, and it'll be, put that in the fridge. So in the morning, I'm going to add my toppings. So what I do for my toppings is I start with just a bunch of really healthy, crunchy things. So I'm going to start with walnuts. Again, good fats, not low in calories, so I only use about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to layer these right in here so they'll have it all just mixed together, then I'm going to throw it in there the night before. 2 tablespoons of the chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of flaked coconut, unsweetened, low in sugar, but has those good fats and that crunchy, delicious taste. And then granola. I like to use granola just for a little bit of carb. I only use a 1/4 cup of granola. I choose a good one that's lower in sugar, higher in fiber, but most of them are just made with oats. And I love the taste of that. It's just 1/4 cup of that is going to make me feel like I'm eating a big healthy bowl of cereal like I used to eat that was full of carbs, but this is a lot less carbs and a lot more good healthy fats and other nutritious things. So then I'm going to add my trifecta of superfoods, I like to say. I keep these all in the freezer. These are all things that you can add simply on top of things to get a lot more nutrition in your recipe here. So I'm going to start with flax seed. You only need about 2 tablespoons. This measuring cup is 2 tablespoons. That'll give you the good fats, good fiber, really good for you. And then chia seeds. Chia seeds are awesome. They're a superfood. They're full of antioxidants. And again, a little bit goes a long way. I keep them in my freezer and I add them and sprinkle them on things. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons to this breakfast bowl, chia seeds, and then maca powder. Maca powder is just something I found that, again, is a superfood. It is something that helps you have energy and stamina. It has a little bit of a neat taste. It's kind of like a caramely butterscotch flavor, but just a little bit goes a long way. Only a teaspoon of that you need. So again, once you find these ingredients and you have them, you're adding a lot of nutrition. So I have this all ready for the night before. I think I'm going to add just even a little sprinkle of cinnamon. That'll add some good flavor, because again, the kefir is a little bit on the sour side, but when you add all these ingredients, it's really going to balance out the flavor and be good for you and delicious. So I'll have this ready the night before and ready to go. Then the next morning, what do I do? Take my kefir out. It's ready to go, and put all my toppings in. I like to add a little bit of honey on top just for some flavor, because you want it to taste good, because if it doesn't taste good, you're not going to eat it. But once you have that, you have your healthy breakfast, and it's a healthy exchange, but it's quick and easy, and it's good to go. Hope you enjoy it.